welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be watching Diesel over here haunt my cat. He's been doing this since he was born, and all he does is chase Keisha over here. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more. And if we get let's say 20 likes, because this is some of the first videos, we will do a video of what you choose in the comment section. So hope you enjoy. As you can see, that is Keisha right there, and what Diesel does is basically his eyes are completely looking at Keisha, and he always follows her around. We also have another cat which is called Harry, but today we're doing it on Keisha. See, he has his eyes on the prize. Yeah, it'd suck to be Keisha, but Diesel's doing good. Good boy. Can't get it now. Can't get her. Oh, that's her. See, she just went through your fence. That's right. That's her. And over there is my guinea. That's my guinea cage. But this is mainly focused on Diesel. Looks like Diesel can't get Keisha, so looks like it's the end. See ya. See you later for more videos on Diesel the Border Collie. Bye. Okay, bye.